Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we just finished up this 2023 Tacoma. This is featuring our Westcott Designs preload collar, set of methods, set of 285 7017s. See if I can share the collar with you here. Nothing too crazy on this truck. Just pretty simple. Lift wheels and tires, and then a set of our rock sliders. But it's crazy on what a difference this can make on this truck. Just share a little bit of our welds here. This is what we pride on, is our quality of our welds and craftsmanship that we do here at our shop. You can just see this is a set of our TIG-welded DOM with top plate 0-degree rock sliders. And the welds are just spotless. We are like the only company in the industry that makes production rock sliders TIG welded. Do they cost more? Yes. Do they take a lot more time to make? They take actually about 3 times as long to make our rock sliders when they're TIG welded. But it's because they're double welded. They're welded once and then they're capped back over the top to put that nice clean look on them. So wanted to share that with you. I'd like to know what you guys think of this Tacoma. It's clean, it's simple, but it does so much from just what a stock truck would look like with just a little bit of things done to it, what a difference it can make. So love to hear from you and what your thoughts are. We've got a couple other ones we're outfitting. They have our roof rack, our bed rack, rock sliders. One of them's getting a tent. The other one's gonna have roto packs and tent. So I wanna share this with you. You can see here just how much outside the wheel well we've got here on this truck. Let us know what you're thinking. Let us know what you'd like to see. We wanted to share this with you. Love to hear your feedback. Love for you to subscribe to our channel, follow us, and let us know. So thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you.